I'm going to demonstrate how to open, edit, and save a document so that it can be turned in Google Classroom. So I'm going to use ICPA period 1 as my example. And the first thing we have here are some sample problem notes that students have been filling in. My view will be a little bit different than yours, but mainly the same. The same steps are involved. So once I find the document I want to open, if it's a PDF, I'm going to open it with DocHub. I'm going to click on it. Sometimes this will say open with. Mine defaults to open with Kami. If you don't have open with DocHub, you'll have to do the 3 dots, open a new window, and then once it loads, you will have the option to open with. Select DocHub. Once the document loads in DocHub, which takes a moment or two, you can edit this document by just clicking on the text tool and typing your answer here, like KE equals 0.5 times M times V squared, and then you can put in the numbers and finish this. When you're done, click on the Download Export button over here. Tell it you want to save it in Drive. All of these are fine the way they're set. Click on Export to Drive. As soon as it's done, click on Show in Drive. Now, as soon as it shows you where it is, immediately 2-finger click on it and rename it. And change the name to something like Done at the end or whatever. Add that to it, because this will make it show up in your recent documents right at the top of the list when you go to turn it in. So I click OK and I rename it. Now, I'm going to go into Google Classroom again. And when I'm in there, my view is a little different than yours. So I have to click on instructions here, but yours will look like this. Instead of this, it will have an X here, which means you can delete this document off of yours. And also down here, you'll have an Add button. Click on Add. A window will pop up saying, what file do you want to add? It's your recent documents. The very first item should be the one that you just renamed with Done on the end. Click on Add, and then click on Turn In. That's how you do your work and turn it in Google Classroom. If you have any other questions, see me in class and I'll help you.